Hi guys, today I would like to talk about AI Http Analyser, which is a Burp extension. It will analyze both HTTP request and response to detect possible vulnerabilities. It will also give us the exploitation steps and POC details as well. So let's quickly do a hands-on on this. Here is my Burp Suite and here is my vulnerable application. So if you can see this here, I can enter something and I can upload any kind of file. Okay, and I can click on submit. I can able to see this request. I can able to capture this request where it is a file upload request, and we can send the file content and also the content type as well as the file name. Okay, so let's quickly send it to AI HTTP Analyzer by right clicking on it, and you can select like this, and I'm sending it to AI HTTP Analyzer. Here is the request and here is the response. Let's see what kind of possible vulnerabilities that it detect and what exploit that it can generate. So after clicking that, it is analyzing the request and response. See, here it detected XXE injection. The upload file is PDF, but if the application does not properly validate the file type and process the file as XML, it could be susceptible to XXE attacks. Okay, and also it is giving me the exploitation step, how we can do that, and also it gave me the proof of concept like this, and also it gave me the recommendations like this. Whenever you have any kind of endpoint, you want to go ahead and check for any kind of possible vulnerabilities and generate exploitation tips and also the POC steps, you can able to use it. Also, if you are interested in specific vulnerability, you want to check for that, you can simply give a prompt: check this endpoint specifically for unrestricted file upload, analyze. So it is analyzing. See, here it is giving me the technical analysis and also exploitation step, and also the proof of concept, how we can do that, and also the recommendations. Likewise, you can ask any kind of customized prompts as well. Give me insertion points for unrestricted file upload in this endpoint. So likewise, you can customize your prompts and you can get specific details out of it. See, here it is giving me the insertion points as well. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you in your pen testing procedure. Thank you.